is the way we look at it.
There you go. Got a caller on the line.
Something called Parchin military base, and it goes on and on and on. Now, I'm talking to you, former Secretary of Defense, United States of America, and you're telling me, even if they did hit bunker busters or whatever it may be, it's only going to delay the program. If I'm...
The information that we go to the people with matters. This is critical stuff.
A panel of accusers. You know, last night, even before I knew what a disaster I was facing this morning here, I was thinking I'm not sure what I have to do.